Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new beautiful Pastel LUTs collection. Our new, marvelous Pastel LUTs create photos that are crisp and defined, yet at the same time, incredibly light and elegant. These exclusive LUTs will help to emphasize the tenderness and airiness of the captured atmosphere in the frame. Designed to create beautiful wedding pictures, family photos, nature, and lifestyle pictures. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. If some LUTs are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive LUTs collection.